Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to create a wavy line in Adobe Illustrator. Now let's get started.
First, open a new document in Illustrator. Then grab the line segment tool from the toolbar. Now pick any stroke color you like and click and drag on the artboard to draw a line. Hold shift while dragging just to keep it perfectly straight. Now increase the stroke weight so you can clearly see what's happening. Now, here's where the magic happens. Select the line, then go up to Effect. Now, select Distort and Transform and click on Zig Zag. You'll see a little settings window pop up. Now start adjusting the sliders. Size controls how tall your waves are, so if you increase it, the waves get bigger. And this part is important, change the points option to smooth. That's what turns those sharp zigzags into clean, flowing waves. Ridges per segment controls how many waves you get. More ridges mean more waves. Take a moment here. Play around with the values until it feels right. There's no perfect number, it really depends on the style you're going for. Keep the preview option turned on to see live changes. Once you're happy, click OK. And just like that, you've got a smooth and wavy line. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can convert this effect into editable shapes. Select the line, go to Object, then Expand Appearance. Now you can tweak the anchor points manually and fine-tune the wave however you like. And that's it. That's how you create a wavy line in Adobe Illustrator.